Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about some new updates to this MynaUI community file that I have. So if you don't know this Figma file, it is in the Figma community. It's fully free, and I've added some updates, and it has lots of things. It has shared scene components, Tailwind design system, some of assets for your websites, lots of marketing blogs, application blogs, and email blogs. So it's all available for free, and I'll leave the link in the description. And the newest thing is all these login blogs, registrations, forgot password pages. So these are all added newly, and some dialog boxes we have. These are all some things that might come in your application. And we also have added some email blocks which are new, and we're going to add some more layouts to the email block, so everything has a single layout button. But in the next version we'll add some new layouts for everything here. And these are all being coded right now, so you can even use it in your React application if you want. But yeah, so I'll leave the link in the description, so go check all these components, use it for free in your application. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll leave the link in the description. Don't forget to check it out, clone it, and check it out for yourself. Bye bye.